How to switch your app theme in SafePal. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're using SafePal and wondering how to switch the display theme of your SafePal app, then here's how you do it. First things first, launch open SafePal app on your device and sign into your account like you normally do. By default, you'll see a black theme in the SafePal app interface. To change that to something else, go to the top left corner and tap on the gear button. This will open up the settings menu. From here, tap on Appearance. You'll then be able to see Dark Mode, Light Mode, and Use Device Settings option. Go ahead and switch to a different mode by selecting between the options. After choosing Light Mode, you'll see your Dark Mode turned into a bright theme immediately. You can also choose to use the device's settings, which means the app will follow your device's day or night mode. So right there, you have successfully changed your theme on SafePal application. You can always switch back to the themes whenever you want. Just one tap and you'll like it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.